welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seed, from the 10th to the 14th of October 2022 on Monday. Nokzola sees here, and Nokzola is flabbergasted to learn that Sibongile is pregnant. Tusheleni and his arrangement with Lindy were thus making her angry. A rodent wreaked havoc at Msamo on Tuesday. Mandisa joins them and reveals that she has some of Makozana's belongings. She hands them over to Nokzola, who find a burner phone amongst them. Nomsa argues with Tusheleni about the mouse, but then discover that the puppy is infested with cockroaches on Wednesday. Tando learns about Mbali's dinner with Big Sister and vow to ask him out directly, but then chickens out. Pagade encourages Big Sister to date again. After Makozana's phone comes alive, Nokzola comes face to face with Maharaj on Thursday. A menacing Maharaj concerned Nokzola. Nomusa is left crushed once Tusheleni is harsh with her business skill. And Rupa helped Tando get some quality time with Big Sister on Friday. Nkulego checks up on Mandisa and finds that she is a ghost. Mbali has sprained her ankle and Big Sister has to drive her home. Nkulego thinks Nokzola is acting nervous. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.